In this video, I'll show you how to connect to a Fortinet VPN. But first, make sure you download the FortiClient VPN in their official website. And assumingly you've completed the installation and the downloading process, go to your Fortinet or FortiClient VPN and then start to configure VPN. But first, make sure that you have the following details provided by your network administrator, like VPN server, IP or host name, username and password, and VPN port if applicable. Now, in the FortiClient VPN interface, click the Configure VPN or add a new connection, and then fill the required fields. So for the connection name, enter a recognizable name. For example, Office VPN or your name. It's up to you. So in this case, I'm going to input my name. And don't forget to add a description. For the remote gateway, input the server IP or host name. It's up to you. Then for the authentication, you can select the appropriate method, usually username and password. And then for the port, use the port number provided by your administrator. So in this case, I'll leave it as default. It's usually port 3. And after that, you can just click the save button and then connect. So once connected, you should see a status indicating you're securely connected. Test access by visiting internal resources or website restricted to your VPN network. If you can't connect, check your internet connection and re-verify the VPN credentials, or you may contact your IT administrator if you encounter persistent issues. And that's it. That's how to connect to Fortinet VPN. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.